Can you solve this before me? Welcome to One Question Closer. Type your answer in the comments. Which of the following is a solution for 23 divided by 7? Is it 2 and 3/7, 3 and 2/7, 3 and 3/7, or 4 and 2/7? Pause and solve. First, let's represent 23 divided by 7 using fraction circles. So each whole will be in sevenths. I will make sure that I shade 23 sevenths. Now, I see that I have 1, 2, 3 wholes. I also have some sevenths, 2 sevenths. Therefore, I have 3 and 2/7. But check out a faster way to solve. First, I will represent 23 divided by 7 as a fraction. That is 23/7. Next, I will see how many groups of 7 I can get from 23. So 23 divided by 7 equals 3. This represents the whole. Then I will multiply the 3 by 7, which is 21. Finally, I will subtract 21 from 23 to get the remainder. That remainder is 2. Now, I will write my answer as 3 and 2/7. Pause and solve this one on your own. Post your answer in the comments. Great work! This is One Question Closer. See you in the next one.